Let's start with chapter 1, that is pre-number concepts. In this chapter, let's learn the previous concepts. Taller and shorter. We have to tell whether the particular object is tall or short. So, on comparison of these two, he is tall, he is short. It is short, it is tall. It is short, it is tall. It is tall, it is short. It is tall, it is short. It is tall, it is short. So, by comparing two objects, we can tell whether the particular object is tall or short. Now come to second, bigger and smaller. By comparing two things, we can tell whether the particular thing is small or big. So, on comparing these two, we can tell that this one is big and this one is small. On comparing these two plants, we can tell this one is small and this one is big. On comparing these two, we can tell this one is big, this one is small. On comparing these two, we can tell this one is big and this one is small. On comparing these two, we can tell this one is big and this one is small. On comparing these two, we can tell this one is big and this one is small. Now come to heavier and lighter. By seeing two things, we can tell whether the particular thing is heavier or lighter. So, this one is heavy. This one is light. This one is heavy. This one is light. It is heavy. It is light. It is heavy. It is light. So, we have understand the concept of heavier and lighter. Now come to inside and outside. By looking the picture, we can tell whether the particular object is inside or outside. On these two, this duck is inside the pond and this one is outside the pond. Parrot is inside the cage and it is outside the cage. Now come to second picture. This is inside the kennel while this dog is outside the kennel. Mother is inside the house. A boy is outside the house.